Snowflake scales beautifully for compute and storage. Access control is usually where things start to crack. As teams add personas, regions, environments, and sensitivity rules, role design turns into a combinatorial anti-pattern. Here's the math. 3 personas, 4 regions, 3 sensitivity levels, and 2 environments already push you past 70 role permutations. Then add contractors, temporary projects, service identities, and exception handling, and the role catalog starts growing faster than the platform. What looked manageable at first becomes brittle inheritance, duplicated grants, and access logic nobody wants to touch. The better pattern is not replacing Snowflake. It is separating policy authoring from policy enforcement. Snowflake stays the enforcement engine. A policy agent becomes the place where you define business rules once, in language humans can reason about. That breaks the habit of encoding every access decision as another database role. In practice, you start with broad base roles for coarse permissions, then add attributes that carry the real business context. Sensitive tables are tagged. User and workload attributes are ingested from identity systems. Policies are written around combinations like region, purpose, and clearance. The policy agent compiles those rules into Snowflake native controls, so enforcement stays local, while governance becomes far easier to scale. This gets even more important with AI agents. Agents create new identities, new execution paths, and new ways permissions can sprawl. If an agent simply inherits a human's broad role set, you multiply risk. If it operates under attributes and explicit guardrails, you keep access narrow and auditable. The practical path is simple. Inventory your current roles, start in shadow mode, move low-risk domains first, and let policy gradually replace brittle role logic. That is how you get cleaner governance, faster change, and an access model that can keep up with the business.